Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at a replica of the Husqvarna Vitpilen 701, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, I just wanted to let you know that this Husqvarna Vitpilen 701 replica comes mounted on a base plate with the model name on it and in a signature window type box, which is a standard boxing by Maisto. And since I've already got this replica out of its package, let's get right to it and take a look. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this 118 scale Husqvarna Vitpilen 701 diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and the functionality of this 118 scale Husqvarna Vitpilen 701 diecast replica. And please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below. And stay tuned for some fun facts on Husqvarna coming up. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Husqvarna Vitpilen 701, and I'm glad that I got this model to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Husqvarna enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Husqvarna Vitpilen 701 replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this amazing diecast motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on Husqvarna coming up. Husqvarna Motorcycles, marketed at Husqvarna, is a Swedish origin Austrian company with designs, engineers, manufacturers, and distributes motocross, enduro, supermoto, and street motorcycles. The company began producing motorcycles in 1903 at Husqvarna, Sweden, as a subsidiary of the Husqvarna armament firm. Today, Husqvarna Motorcycles is owned by PR Mobility Group. Husqvarna was founded near a town in Husqvarna in Sweden in 1689. The company started out as a maker of muskets, and the Husqvarna logo still depicts a gun sight viewed from the end of the barrel. As with many motorcycle manufacturers, Husqvarna first began producing bicycles in the late 19th century. In 1903, they made the jump to motorcycle manufacturing. The first Husky motorcycles used imported engines, and it was not until 1918 that Husqvarna began producing machines built entirely in-house. Around that time, they secured a contract with the Swedish Army and also began entering cross-country and long-distance motorcycle races. In 1920, Husqvarna established its own engine factory, and the first engine to be designed was a 550cc 4-stroke 50-degree side-valve V-twin engine, similar to those made by companies like Harley-Davidson and Indian. And for further information on Husqvarna, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Husqvarna Vitpilen 701 replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Husqvarna Diecast Motorcycle Replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment, and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also, do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.